Welcome back.
Yep, in this video we'll be showing you how to install Windows 10 from a USB flash drive.
Hey, you want to put that in the light a
So,
little better?
I mean, it's tiny. It's just a black flash drive. If it's Windows 10, it's going to have to be at least 8 gigabytes, or else it won't work. Let me just...
Yeah. All we're using is a fucking lamp right now.
Alright, anywho, every computer or brand will have its own button you have to click to enter the BIOS, which is what we need to enter. So, there we go. If it's a completely empty drive, it might just boot to the USB by itself, but usually it's just pretty easy to do it this way. So you can just go F9 for the boot device options. You should probably zoom in on that so people can actually see what they're supposed to do. Well, alright, so F9, the boot device options. You're just going to click F9. Hold on a second, I don't think I clicked F9. Alright, hold on. Yes, exit. Alright, there we go. I guess I'm in the boot options now. Alright, so it should usually say the name, which is that right there. USB, hard drive, SanDisk, UltraFit, whatever. I'm just going to select that because it already has Windows 10 on it. And we'll go over how to install Windows 10 to a flash drive in another video. Now it's just going to load up the installer for Windows.
Well, while that's happening, check out this Dyna mouse pad.
And that
and the
RGB gamer mouse.
And that black web mic over there.
Dude, look at this sick mic. Honestly, it's one of the best mics I've ever heard for how much it costs. Now it's loading up Windows for the thing. And boom, now you're in the setup. Which is really bright for some reason. But yeah, it's just gonna ask you like language, your time and whatever, and your keyboard method. We're just gonna click next because it's already all good.
Install.
The wireless mouse really does not work very well when it's on this. Now, if you have a product key, great, you can just enter it in right there. If you don't, you're just gonna click I don't have a product key, and you'll essentially get Windows 10 but for free. It says right there. And you can choose whatever version of Windows 10 you want. Pro, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Pro.
We're gonna put Pro there because why not? And then you're gonna have to just read their thing if you really want to, but it's just Windows. Then you're not actually gonna keep this one. You're going to click Custom Install. Then, if you only have like one drive that's already empty, then you're fine. You don't have to delete any partitions. But if there are multiple things, you're going to click each of them, and then if any of them give you the option to delete it, delete it. And then, boom. But there's only one drive here, and that's the 500 gig. So we're just going to click Next, and your Windows installation will start. We'll be back after it's finishing up. Alright, so now you're just going to click Restart. After you restart it, pull your hard drive out, your flash drive, and your drive should boot by itself without the flash drive. Yeah, so we're going to wait till finishing up, but since it's an SSD, it kind of went too fast for us. So, yeah. Anywho, since it's an SSD, it also gets your devices really, really fast. So that's nice. We should be in Windows in a bit.
Yeah.
So while we're here, I'll talk about the advantages of an SSD.
Super fast.
Pretty much. I mean, it pretty much makes everything load faster. In like the simplest terms, it makes pretty much everything load faster. Not everything, but like most of everything. Loading videos, all kinds of stuff, like loading games, all that.
And I don't know if we
Loading
said this
web
in the
browsers and
last
all that.
video, but the SSD is 500 gigs.
Yeah. It's
In
a
case
Samsung
you
860
wondering.
Evo, which is one of the better SSDs currently. Just the 870s and whatnot are amazing too, but yeah. We'll be back. Well, actually, no, we won't, because, I mean, that was the whole premise of the video. So, yeah, after that, you'll be in Windows 10 setup. And, yeah, you just set up Windows after that. Comment down below if you need a tutorial for that for some reason. But we will see you guys in the next video.